Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple basic corner bookmarks. Let's get it started. First, take a square sheet of paper or any A4 size paper. Bring the top right corner to the left edge. Cut the remaining part. Now we have a square sheet of paper. Bring top right corner to the bottom and make a nice crease. Repeat the process on the other side. It resembles a square. Open. Bring one flap upwards. Now take one flap over and tap it inside like this. And repeat it on the other side. Your simple basic corner bookmark is just ready to use. Now you can decorate with different drawings and styles as you like. Take any square piece of paper and fold it into half. Cut the shape into half heart shape. Apply some glue and paste it. Our next style, make small heart just like this. Eyes and lines. Cut a small piece of paper, cut it into this shape. Paint the inner sections. Apply some glue and paste it. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Thank you for watching.